motor, wala. Mainit sobra dito sa ating venue. O hindi kinaya na aking cellphone. Ito Abadesa, matake using the glass, wala. Rep. Yung spot lang. Thank you. Babawi sa 3, short. Number 12 with the rebound, wala. Abad Baltao. Back to Baltao, stop and pump, wala. Rebound by number 8. Steal by Baltao. There's a foul. Rebound by number 12. SE by number 13. Number 12, 4-3, wala. Rebound by number 13 with the putback. Ayan na, number 14. Umatake, block by number 12. Number 8, bounce pass. Number 7, 13. Number 9. Steal. Walang tinawag. Number 1. Pass number 1. Number 1, jump shot, no good. Offensive rebound. Out of bounds, same ball. Baltao with the ball. Nasa corner. Coach Homer. Out of bounds. Uy. Pass to Coach Homer. To Baltao from elbow 3. Short. Uy. Out of bounds. Number 9. Didiscarte. Oh, sorry, that's number 8. Number 8. High pick up, drop pass. Number 12. Wala. Rebound by Coach Homer. Coach Homer, binababa ang bola. Coach Homer, pass to Baltao. Binigay from elbow 3. 3 point para sa Kokoryo. 4-point lead para sa Kokoryo. Sorry, that's a sector 6. Time remaining 6 minutes and 33 seconds. Bola dito ng sector 6. Number 9. Pass to, traveling. Kitang-kita. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Bounce pass. Uy! Wow! Wow! Abadesas to Hagunap. Grabe ang combination na yun. Another steal by Baltao. And there's a foul. Tinaturo pa ni Jepoy. May foul doon. Time remaining. Last 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Baltao. Abadesa with a spin. No good. Ayan na ang Sector 6. Number 29 nakalusot. But there's a foul. Dapat tayong penalty. Ayan na. Alley-oop to number 12. Nabitawan. And that's a step in on the line. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Nicolas. Back to Baltao. May tangan dito ng bola. Baltao. Pinasa sa kanan. Pinasa kay Hagunap. Fake. Hagunap with the back to Baltao from that 3, no good. Rebound by number 29. Ayan na ang Sector 6. Number 8. Number 8 atake. Spin. Back number 9. Catch and shoot. Yes sir. By jersey number 4. Babawi dito ang Okuryo. Baltao. Back to number 1, back to Baltao, to Nicolas. Back to Baltao. Uy, out of bounds. Sector 6 basketball. Backdoor pass. Stop and pump. Wala. Rebound by Hagunap. No good. Still. Ayan na. Number 14. Pass number 1 for 3. 3-point by jersey number 1. 65-66. 1-point lead. Ang hinahabol ng Gokoryu. Time out, Sector 6. Time remaining 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Bugs! Pwede mo pa-check? Nalive pa? Wala yung signal. Pa-check lang ito nalive pa? Baka di natin makakuha. Pa-check lang ito nalive pa? Thank you, Max. Uy, offensive foul by number 8. Shoutout po kay Coach kay Kagawan Piquero, Chris, Barangay Tibagan. Number 14, pass to number 2. to number 1. Stop and pop. Using the glass. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Late lang daw, sabi. Number 29. May tangan ng bola. Number 29. Pass to number 2. Oh, steal. Ayun na. 2 against 2. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Tumira. Basket. Ayan na. Lamang na po ang Kokoryo. Number 8, binigay sa corner. Ayan na. Uy, naipit. Number 4 to number 12. Iba na ang matangkad. 68-67. Grabe, dikit lang. Ayan na. Number 2, 4-3. No good. Rebound. Back to number 2. Number 2. Binigay kay number 7. Coach Homer. Coach Homer to Paulo. Back to number 2. Fake. Number 2. Back to Paulo. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Two minutes and 33 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Bola dito ng Sector 6. Campillanes, back to number 12. Sa kanilang big man. Didepensahan ni Coach Homer. Setting on the screen. Code number 12. Ayun na, number 8. Tumalaksak. Binigay kay number 13. Tumira. Short. Out of bounds. Official tayo guys sorry. Number 2. Pass to Coach Homer. Uy, bad pass. Ayun na, 3 against 2. Uy, what a steal! Kenato, tumira. Pasok yan, sigurado. Ayan na, another steal. Makukuha ng mga nakapula. Number 12, floater basket. Balik ang kalamangan sa mga nakapula. Uy! Butter sa foul. Time remaining, 1 minute and 44 seconds. Time out dito. Ang Kokoryo. Tingnan muna natin ang huddle ng Sector 6. Ayan, shoutout kay Lawrence Pingol, kay parang Lawrence. Sabi na shoutout sa Abalos family. Ayan, is watching. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Wala pa tayong penalty. 4 sa Sector 6 at 3 para sa Kokoryo. Bola ng Kokoryo basketball. Ayan na. Number 2. Pass to number 1. Back to number 2. To number 1. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Block by number 12. Ayan na. Easy lang daw. Pass to number 13. Set in on the play. Number 13, didiskarte. Number 13, pass to number 8. Number 8, pumukol sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Coach Homer. Coach Homer with a spin. Homer dire-diretso. Binigay kay Paulo. Abadesa, didiskarte. Pass to number 14. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 2. Pass to Coach Homer. Coach Homer, 4-3. No good. Out of bounds. Red ball. Time remaining. Last 49 seconds. Bola ng Sector 6. Number 13. Atake. Tumira! What a dagger to. Para kay jersey number 13. Ayan na. Number 2. Patch to Koshomer. Abadesa. Atake. Uy, wala easy 2 points. Hindi pa tapos na laban. Ayan na. 1 point lead. Ayan na, double team. Another steal. Number 14. Wala. No, Paolo. And there's a foul. Mukhang mapagod na si Paolo Abadesa. Time remaining. Last 22 seconds. On the free throw area. Jersey number 31. Crucial free throw para kay Paolo Abadesa. Ayan na. Tingnan natin kung may papasok ang dalawang free throw. First shot is good! Tabla tayo sa 72. Second shot, wala! Rebound! Makukuha ni number 12. Ayan na. Hold on, guys. Tingnan natin kung may titira ng Sector 6. Number 13. Wala. Rebound by Paolo. Pass to number 2. 8 seconds remaining. 5, 2. Pass to number 1. For the win. Tumira. Tumira ka. At dito, magkakaroon tayo ng overtime. Okay, overtime po tayo. All 72. Humingi ng foul ang Sector 6 pero walang tinawag. Okay, overtime tayo. Ayan, shoutout. Jonas Alexander is watching. Okay, overtime tayo. We have an overtime. Grabe, championship na championship to. Ayan, shoutout kay Sir Ben Legarda Kukuryu Cosmetic Basketball. Hey. Shoutout. May karoon ng diskusyon nandito. Alright, back to the ball game. 5 minutes additional para sa ating overtime. Number 2, bounce pass. Siya by number 29. Number 12, wala. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 atake. Uy! That's a traveling violation. Number 8. May tangan ng bola. Number 8. Oh, there's a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 22. Number 8 on the free throw area. First shot is good. Shoutout kay Egyong Gising. Shoutout ka Captain Paguyos sa magandang paliga. Ayan, shoutout po. Pumasok ba? Pumasok. Okay, 2-point lead para sa Sector 6. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Baltao, may tangan ng bola. Back to Baltao. Number 22, nagay sa low post. Ayan na, may konting siko doon. Uy! But there's a foul. Number 14 on the free throw area. Basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound by number 4. Bump to number 8. Number 8, tumira. Swak na swak yan by number 8. Balik sa tatlo ang lamang ng Sector 6. Number 22, spin. Tumira, short. Rebound by number 8. Ayan na, si number 4. Running shot. Wala. But there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 12 of Sector 6, no good. Ay, maraming salamat po kay Dominic Colinayo sa kanyang 10 stars. Maraming salamat po. Basket para sa Sector 6. 77-73. Ayan na. Abadesa with a spin. Sumalaksak pa. Thursday. Offensive foul. Siko daw, sabi ng ating referee. Bola dito ng Sector 6. Number 8, kick out. Number 29, 4-3, short. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, atake. Fake, pass to Coach Homer. Number 1, 4-3, short. Rebound by number 22, wala pa rin. Rebound na dito, di number 29. Ayan na. To number 12. Back to number 4. Basket! Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng Sector 6. Time out dito. Ang Kokuryo basketball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Pasensya na po, wait lang po ha. Nag-over. Pasensya na po, nag-overheat ang aking cellphone eh. Sana makuha natin ang huli. labanan. Okay, basket by number 29. Coach Homer, wala, rebound by number 12. Number 12, up and under, no good. 24-second shot clock violation. By Baltao. Pass number 14. Umatake. Using the glass. Wala. Coach Homer. Another shot by number 14. And one. Basket count by number 14. 5-point lead para sa Sector 6. Ay, sorry. Ayan na. Number 12 with a jump shot. No good. Rebound ng mga nakapula. Last 1 minute. Number 12. Tumira sa 3, short. Ayan na. Nag-aabol ang mga naka-blue. Baltao, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Kags, basta lang. Patapos na, nag-iinit yung cellphone. Wala ako. Sorry ako, Sam. Andito na. Nag-iinit eh. Kung ano, pressure ba? Ayun. Sana gumagana. Wala na na. Seconds na lang naman eh. Uy, wala. Ubus sa oras na lang dito ang mga nakapula. And there's a foul. Yes, out kay Takis Drew. Ayan, brother, kamusta po? On the free throw area, jersey number 6. Uy. Ayan na, nagkakasiyahan na ang bench ng Sector 6. Oh, 2 for 2. Baltao atake. Pass number 1, 4-3, short. There's a foul. Ano pa eh? Uy, hindi natin yung foul. Paano dapat?
Kailangan na lang, 40 seconds na lang.
Nag-iinit yung cellphone ko, nakapatay. Sana okay yung live. Uy, basketball foul. Tikit pa eh. 14 seconds na lamang po tayo. Time out pa. Sige, okay lang po ito. 82-76 ba? 76. Hindi ko ano eh. Ito. Ito pa naman. 741. 741. Thank you magawa. Shoutout Kags. Hello. Sino mas nasa-support?
Ganda na laban.
Bumigay na sa dulo. 6 lang. 6. Pag naka 3 points. Okay, bola dito ng Sector 6. Last 12 seconds remaining. 12.8 seconds remaining. Bola dito ng Sector 6. There's a foul. Good. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Coach Homer. Coach Homer pupukol sa 3. Oh! 3-point by Coach Homer. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Grabe, nakapushot pa dito ng 3 points si Coach Homer. What a nice credit para po. And sa kanyang pamilya, napaka-supportive. And a nice game. Congratulations sa ating first champion ng ating season, the Sector 6. And what a nice game para sa Concordia basketball team. And shoutout din kay boss coach Sir Benito Legarda. And thank you pa rin kay Kagawad Chris Figuero sa pag-check lang ng ating live. Grabe, nag-super hit. And shoutout din kay Ma'am Natalie. And hello Ma'am Nat. Ice cream, nakashoot pa lang uli. Umabol. At least nababa, 3 points. Alright, our final score, 82-79. 3-point lead. Panalo po ang Sector 6. And ating champion ng mga nakapula, ang Sector 6. Congratulations po. Ganda na laban na yun, overtime. Alright, magbabalik tayo para sa ating ceremony. Tignan natin, makakahabol tayo. At buti pa nating load at yung materiya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Muli, magkita-kita po tayo sa ating next live. Special thanks, ayan, sa mga bumubuo ng ating liga. Special thanks po natin sa Kukuryo Charity Program with the Legarda family. Ayan, together with Sir Benito Legarda and BN Legarda. And as well, ganon din ang kasama natin. ang San Juan City Police District. Ayan, Basketball League. Ang ating mga PNP. Ayan. Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. God bless everyone. Good night. Okay, iskapin natin yung awarding mamaya-maya. Salamat po.